Discover how to earn unlimited income from home with the power of the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own work from home and start making a full-time income in just a few hours a day. You can make $4,800 and more in the next 30 days from any place in the world. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. We are living in an age where it is possible to make a living working from home with your computer and Hubstaff.com. Hubstaff is a job platform where you can search for freelance work and discover opportunities to make additional money. When you join Hubstaff, the first thing you'll do is create a profile as a freelancer. Before you can apply for jobs, your profile must be reviewed and approved by Hubstaff. It normally takes 1 to 2 business days to finish this procedure. Make sure your profile contains everything that's important. Then, you will have access to available jobs. You can see what kind of job is being given and how much you'll be paid for it at a glance. A job's hourly wage is negotiable if it isn't specified in the ad. Simply clicking it will lead you to a website outlining all of the specifics of the position being offered. The job's duties, the employer's expectations, and the qualifications needed to be employed. Click the Apply button and fill out the form if you're interested in the position. Once your application has been received, you will need to wait for a response from the company. The application status will be communicated to you through email whether it was approved or denied. The jobs listed on Hubstaff include a wide range of industries and specialties. Accounting jobs, web development jobs, sales jobs, and many more are all available. You may choose between working full or part-time. You can withdraw your money using your preferred method. Hubstaff accepts PayPal, TransferWise, Payoneer, Bitwage, and QuickBooks. There's no withdrawal threshold. Hubstaff may deposit your profits using your chosen method. The amount you might make at Hubstaff depends on the position. Most freelance jobs pay $10 to $30 per hour, which is a good amount in my view. Most jobs demand prior experience, thus it's not a good platform for beginners. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.